Hello everyone, I'm John Ledlayan from BS Scream 2Y1-2. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-drawing ng analog camera front and back at ipapakita ko din ng mga parts nito. This is the front view of the analog camera. The first part is lens. The lens is a particular piece of glass that reflects light from the outside into the back of the camera. The next part is focusing ring. The ring on the lens of the body that move the lens component inside the lens, it enables the photograph to capture our picture. The next part is focusing ring. Focusing ring. The ring on the lens that move lens component inside the lens, it enables the photograph to capture a picture. The next part is f-stop. F-stop. A camera setting that specifies the lens, aperture, or a specific shot of an object. The next part is film rewind lever. The film rewind lever is a rewinding sprocket gear. The next part is hot shoe. The hot shoe, it point the top of the camera to the top of the flash bulb and other accessories of the camera. Shutter speed indicator. This is a camera device that adjusted it conform light sensitivity. The next part is the film advance. The process of moving a film from one frame to the next. The last part is the shutter. A shutter, a device that enables light flow in order to determine the light of exposed in film. This is the back view of the analog camera. The first part is rewind button. The manual camera, when recording in the camera rewinding sprocket, holds the film from a take-up spool. The next part is take-up spool. The empty spool fixes the film in the camera after the film has been exposed to the light. The next part is film compartment. The film compartment is located at the back of the camera. It holds the camera film. The last part is viewer. Viewer, the photographer component to achieve the root of composition the area of an object that will be featured in the shot.